Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do question number 20 from Leetcode, that is valid parenthesis. Moving forward, before that, I would request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So whenever I upload any video, you get the direct notification and you can practice more. So yeah, okay, let's read the question. Question is valid parenthesis, which is again from this easy level. Given a string is containing just the characters, this one. So we have these characters in the string. Determine if the input string is valid. Input string is valid if open bracket must be closed by the same type of bracket. Open bracket must be closed in the correct order, and every closed bracket has a corresponding open bracket of the same type. Okay, so open bracket, any that string is valid if open bracket is closed by the same type of bracket. So let's suppose this is opening bracket, it should be closed by the same type of this bracket. Okay, open brackets must be closed in the correct order. So in correct order like this, if it is there is opening, the next character coming is the closing like this. Okay, and every closed bracket has a corresponding open bracket. So if there is any closing bracket, which means there should be opening bracket of this like this here. Any closing bracket of this, which means there should be a opening bracket of that closing bracket. Okay, so I'll explain this in the, so we are going to do this question in O of n and in the by using stack. So we are going to do this question by stack. Time complexity will be big O of n. Okay, so what is my approach here? My approach is, okay, so whenever I'm getting opening bracket, I will push inside. For opening bracket, I will push inside the stack. For closing bracket of same type, I will pop. Okay, so whenever I'm getting opening bracket, I will push inside, and closing bracket of the same type, I will pop. Okay, so let's see here. I'm getting opening bracket, I will push inside this. After that, I'm getting closing bracket. I'm traversing on this string. Okay, so after that I'm getting closing bracket, and both are of the same type, so I will pop it out and my stack is now empty. So till here, till this part, till this part, whatever this opening bracket came, it came with its closing bracket, and that's why my stack is empty. After that, yeah, after that I am getting the opening bracket of this, so I will push inside this, and then after that I am getting this. So both are of the same type, so I will pop it out and my stack will be empty again. So far everything is going good. Next, I am getting opening bracket like this, so I will push inside, and after that I am getting closing of the same type. Both are of the same type, so means I will delete it. I will pop it out. So at last the stack is empty. If stack is empty, which means true. If stack is empty means true, and rest false. So again let's see when we will get the false condition. Okay, we will see this, we will traverse on this one. Okay, so I am getting opening like this, so I will push inside this, and after that I am getting this one as the closing, but both are not of same type. Both are not of same type, which means I will return false. So for any opening bracket, except if I'm not getting the closing bracket of this, if I'm not getting this, which means uh, the string is not valid. So if for any opening bracket, I should always get the closing bracket of same type. If I'm not getting that, then I will return false. For any closing bracket, at the top of the stack, if there is not the opening bracket of the same type, if there is not like this, if there is something like this for this one, then I will say that this is false. Okay, so these are the situation. One more situation we can say that, so when any closing bracket is coming, sorry, when any closing bracket is coming and the stack is empty, which means there is no opening bracket of that, which means there is no opening bracket at the stack. In the stack, if there is no opening bracket of this, which means I will return false. So for what are the conditions we got? For any closing bracket, if I am not getting the opening bracket at the top of the stack, here if I am not getting like this, if there is something else, then I will return false. For this one, I should get like this. If I'm not getting this, if I'm not getting like this, then I will return false. And for any closing like this, if at the top of the stack, which means stack the dot peak is not the opening like this, which means I will return false. Okay, and for any closing bracket like this, if the stack is empty, which means it does not have the opening bracket in the stack, and we will return false. Cool. Now we will see the code of this question. Okay, create one stack of character type, and telling it as stk is equal to then traverse on the string. For int I is equal to 0, I should be less than s dot length I plus plus ch is equal to s dot, we are traversing over string at I. So if I am getting ch as the opening bracket or the opening bracket of all the type, then we will push inside that stack. In that situation, I will stk.push ch. Cool. else I will get the closing bracket. For closing bracket, if stk, for the closing bracket, stk size is equal to 0, in that situation again I will return false. Again there were three conditions, where if ch is the closing bracket and stk.peak is not equal to the opening bracket of this, in that situation again I am returning return false, and all will be same for Control C. sorry, proceed. Like this. Then so if we are not stucking in this false situations, then at last we will stk dot pop. Okay, and return stk is empty or not. Run this code. stk dot peak, where we are doing down, return again for indivisible division. Oh, yeah, it accepted. Let's submit this code. Yeah, it accepted. Yeah. So this is the code, and this is very easy. We have used the stack implementation. We have implemented stack here. Let's see this code. It is very easy, and keep practicing. By the time, take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video.